I don't think I was planning for a flash flood emergency during this event, or a huge bow echo, but you know what? Just enjoy it.
Yeah. Yeah. Every angle. The cash coming. Smell it.
Wow, day one moderate convective risk. Ooh.
And there's a TOA.
I'm quivering. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's about the entire forecast area.
Yep.
Besides the ocean.
What are the hazards?
I can't see that yet.
It's probably not on even as we see it.
I'm gonna check Twitter.
Alright, it's about to tone. We have 1 minute.
I'm gonna check Titter.
Hello everyone, I am here with Montgomery County EAS.
Go away.
Alright. In about, what, a minute or something, a tornado watch is about to tone.
I can do like here.
Alright. Sorry, Montgomery County EAS parents.
Time dot is. There we go. I just have to look.
I have a watch.
It's not even there yet. That's a good point. You
We have less than 30 seconds before it tones.
I'm aware of that. Yeah, I've been recording for a while now.
Alright, right now we're hooked up to. Alright, well it's on Weather Channel now.
That's cool. A tornado watch is in effect for the following areas.
Okay.
We're going?
5, 4, 3,
Time to get a noise
2,
complaint.
1.
Bruh. This is disappointing.
Oh, it activated.
Yes, sir. What the hell is this?
This didn't activate either.
What?
Neither did this.
What happened here? It's supposed to be good.
Shit reception. This didn't activate either. This
Whatever.
is a disaster.
I don't care. We got some.
Remember, the tornado watch needs to be favorable for the development of the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest weather information. Tornado watch number 605 has been issued from 3:15 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties. Maryland, Cumberland, and the following marine locations. Delaware, the waters northeast of Fort New Jersey to Florida to Delaware. And Delaware, the waters southeast of Fort New Jersey to Florida to Delaware. At 3 p.m. at Atlantic City International Airport.
That was okay.
Yeah, that's fine, I guess.
Alright, let the day begin.
Let's go. Thank you for your information.
New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware until 6:45 p.m. At 5:39 p.m.
Oh, it is going. That's quiet.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and adjacent coastal waters. Here is the regional weather forecast. Westchester, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Westtown, Wyomissing, Downingtown, Kennett Square, Birdsboro, Oxford, City Spring, Laurelville, Parkersburg, West Grove, Willersville, Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morgan, and Glen Roy. This includes the following highways. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 324. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11.
Nice
The
warning.
tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northern Delaware and eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. Seek shelter now.
I'm getting SCR too.
And stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northern Delaware and eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, and Chester.
It's kind of weird looking, to be honest. There's one for Delaware, Pennsylvania.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, western Salem County in southern New Jersey, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Delta to Essex, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Damn.
70 miles per hour.
And everyone else does there's a lot.
Yeah.
Impact. Expect
I
considerable
don't know why.
damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Damn.
Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Chester, Pennsville, Young, Carnegie Point, Slocum, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Callaway, Canton, Delaware City, Newport, Arden, Batterton, and Stanton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 1, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 9, Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 23,
Smells like
Interstate
ash.
295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 14. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and northern Delaware, northeastern Maryland, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
You're indestructive. What the
A
hell?
tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and northern Delaware, northeastern Maryland, southern
Nope, and cut off. Okay, perfect.
And I loved it that the church, those who follow Jesus, would be the ones who lead the way.
Why do we struggle so much with things we really were taught, most of us as children?
It's easier said than done. And
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Honeybrook to near Kennett Square to near Cecilton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, and Pottstown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 8. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 359. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 39. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 2 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers.
Man, why green though?
My power which is not good. Just got hella dark outside. Teletubby.
Trying to get that guy to activate.
Located over Newtown Square, or 10 miles east of Westchester, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
Women
and
crying
vehicles
over
will
tornado
repair.
warning.
If you can,
Oh, what the hell?
please tell us what happened after Philip's death.
Ask for tornado warning.
Please note that
For it. SDR for CIO. Oh my goodness.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, south central Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Queens County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Central Sussex County in northeastern Maryland, southeastern Canyon County in southern New Jersey, Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southern Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 8 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
Yeah, that is on top of me right now.
45 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Vineland, Dover, Millville, Richmond, Easton, Centerville, Cumberland, Talbot, Hamilton, Smyrna, Milford, Reno, Denton, Centerville, Egg Harbor City, Laurel Lake, Harrington, Camden, Clayton, and Fredericksburg. This includes Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 11 and 32. A tornado warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central, northern and southern Delaware, eastern and northeastern Maryland, and southern New Jersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central, northern and southern Delaware, eastern and northeastern Maryland, and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has
This is gonna get cut off.
for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, Camden, Cape May.
Yep, that's bad.
That is a big warning. Uh-huh. Let's go in again. Is it Wakefield?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roman Cove to Tillman Island to Breezy Point, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies around 7:30 p.m. Cambridge around 7:35 p.m. Secretary around 7:40 p.m. Hurlick around 7:45 p.m. Federalsburg around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Yalestown, Madison, Brookview, El Dorado, Wilford, Hudson, East New Market, Church Creek, Bucktown, and Linkwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakefieldUp. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Dorchester, Maryland.
Thanks, Wakefield.
The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Tornado watch number 602 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, Wickliffe, and Worcester. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 602 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, Wickliffe, and Worcester.
Good to know. Thanks, Wakefield.
Oh, it's for Wakefield.
Maybe. No, it's not.
The service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in
That's one of the big ones.
Mercer County in central New Jersey, east central Gloucester County in
Oh my goodness. It's going to be a doubleheader. It was a marine warning.
Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:20 p.m.
When do you ever have a warning for Atlantic County, New Jersey, and Bucks County, Pennsylvania? Never.
Washington Crossing to Tullatown to near Medford to near Hamilton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Dickle.
Source, radar indicated. Impact.
You're going triple? Oh, no, we're not. Okay.
Trees and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, and Manalapan. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 12. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 356 and 359. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34.
Damn.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 45 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7, and between mile markers 9 and 11. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 47 and 134.
Oh my god.
Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 22 and 33. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southern, central, northern, and northwestern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your...
Oh, everyone's... Okay.
Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s.
Again.
The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Tornado watch number 602 has been extended until 11 p.m. and expanded to include the following marine locations: coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles.
Oh.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, the tornado watch number 602 has been extended until 11 p.m. and expanded to include the following marine locations: coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Here is the regional weather forecast.
What? Oh, I'm gonna go.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for northern Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until midnight tonight. At 8:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar.
There it would be.
Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Now where's the
Some
SVR at?
locations that will experience flash flooding include Cambridge, Curlick, Secretary, University
That's
of
definitely
Maryland
still
Center for
severe.
Environmental Studies,
Can't tell me
New Market,
it's
Smith
not.
Creek, Brookview, El Dorado, Linkwood, and Wilford. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Here is the official
Thanks.
national...
Thank you. Finally. Time to check.
Earth 4. You know, it's
The National
Wakefield.
Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, Wicomico County in southeastern Maryland, eastern Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 9:45 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Secretary to 8 miles southwest of Vienna to 8 miles northwest of Deal Island, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Curlick, Secretary, and Vienna around 9:05 p.m. Hebron and Sharpstown around 9:10 p.m. Delmer around 9:20 p.m. Salisbury and Fruitland around 9:25 p.m. Salisbury University around 9:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wood Green, Brookview, Trinity, El Dorado, Eden, Mount Vernon, Chesapeake Heights, Elliott, Linkwood, and Dalestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Maryland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester and Wicomico. Here. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware until 10:15 p.m.
I was right.
14 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Seaford, or 12 miles southwest of Georgetown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
Stay
per
here.
hour wind gust. Source,
Stay here.
radar indicated. Impact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Seaford, Millsboro, Laurel, Lewis, Selbyville, Bridgetto, Delmer, Dagsboro, Millville, Henlopen Acres, Dumbro, Sycamore, Long Neck, Ocean View,
what the hell?
Bradford, South Basmain, Dewey Beach, and Bethel. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southern Delaware and eastern
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape in New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, up 20 nautical miles. Other waters from Great Bay, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, up 20 to 40 nautical miles until 11:15 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 22 nautical miles southwest of Slaughter Beach, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard.
Honestly,
Source, radar.
don't need to. hate everything about my life.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for
Ooh.
coastal waters from Cape to New Jersey.
And then I just sold everything.
Out 20 nautical miles.
Damn it.
In West New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 11:15
I just got this morning. I don't care. It's for now.
Flash flood emergency for Cambridge.
What?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for north central Dorchester County.
Hold on a fucking minute. What? Are you kidding me?
Ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
What?
This is a flash flood emergency for Cambridge. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cambridge, Hurley, Secretary, East Newmarket, and Lakewood. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Catastrophic threat in the Cambridge area. I'm going to give you the latest on this.
What?
For Cambridge, we've had 4 inches of rain already. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1.5 inches are possible. And so this is a very dangerous situation now. Cambridge, Maryland. This is Eastern Maryland. Flash flood emergency now in effect for Cambridge, which is right there. And you've got another round
I am
of heavy rain that's
beyond fucking.
so please
What?
go higher ground right now there in the Cambridge area. Jen, over to you.
All right, well, we're going to be watching some
Are you kidding me?
parts of the south to see more strong thunderstorms
Dude, oh
tomorrow. And
my.
morning,
Hold on, do this thing real quick.
and work its way over in a minute.
Oh, lucky. I'm not lucky. This is.
Showers and thunderstorms
You've got to be kidding me. Flash flood emergency for Dorchester.
the southeast. There's a lot of energy and
What?
just like there was today, and we think we'll see more thunderstorms develop here. The ingredients once again coming together. So again, we're going to watch that.
That should have been a moderate flash flood risk instead of a convective risk. That was.
Over towards Mississippi. And then by the
Okay,
afternoon,
well,
works its way into
that's
parts of Montgomery.
definitely not scary at all. That's not sure last time. Nothing too crazy.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, Wicomico County in southeastern Maryland, central Worcester County in southeastern Maryland until 10:30 p.m.
Mister.
At 9:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hebron, for 8 miles west of Fruitland, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Man, what the?
Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh.
Expect
Oh, the
hail
hail's
damage
really
to
high.
roofs,
Oh,
siding,
okay.
windows, and
All right, I
vehicles.
see.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near.
Oh, it's not even done yet.
Hebron around 9:50 p.m. Salisbury and Salisbury University around 9:55 p.m. Delmer around 10 p.m.
Now stay up now, bro.
Martinsburg around 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Green Hill, Cap Penny, With the Green, Trinity, Salisbury, Wicomico, Royal Oak, Eden, Allen, Whitehaven, and Willards. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Maryland.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Wickliffe and Worcester. At 9.
Thanks.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Wickliffe County in southeastern Maryland until 1 a.m. At 9:58 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Ooh, don't mind if I do. That was shit. Alright.
Up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Salisbury, Fruitland, Salisbury University, Delmer, Hebron, Parsonsburg, Shadpoint, Cap Penny, Chesapeake Heights, Green Hill, Royal Oak, With the Green, Nelson, and Bivalve. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex.
Take me back to the sweet time.